All right. Hello, good morning, good evening, and good night. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic because today I want to make this kind of a more one-on-one video with you guys. A personal video from myself, Mr. Honorable Investing, all the way to you. And the reason why I want to do that is because I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what's going on. Today, I'm not talking about the tariffs. I don't even have a slide up with any tariffs. All I got is some Yieldmax ETFs charts. We have our YMAX as usual. We have the index, the S&P 500 as usual. And what I want to talk to you guys today about is I want to talk to you about a note that I made to myself. And the reason why I'm saying this is to hopefully bring some sense and calm you guys when it comes to the market. What I mentioned in my note, remember, this note is not financial advice. All this is my own personal opinion, okay? Starts like this. Remember, it is now becoming that time to sit on the hands. Everything will go crazy in the short term. Things will be okay long term. The main thing is to understand the mindset of those around you. They think there are buying opportunities here. Opportunities have not yet shown themselves. I think this is very important. They think there are buying opportunities here. Opportunities have not yet shown themselves. What do we do as investors? Okay? As investors, we're looking to basically find the best deal and find the best companies at the best prices. Generally, the best companies might not often be the best deals. But it's important to understand the mindset of those around you because they will tell you what moves they're making. They might tell you how the market is likely to shift. And as well, they might tell you when real opportunities show themselves. I have a lot of friends who are currently buying in the market. I made a couple little buys as well, but I'm not buying heavy at all. In fact, I have not put any cash in my account. I will do that once this margin debt is paid off. And the reason being is because I believe there's a lot more downside ahead, and I'm looking to take advantage of those opportunities then, not necessarily right this moment. Of course, tomorrow's kind of the big day. Wednesday's the big day. If these tariffs get put in place, there will be a lot of news on that. But of course, I will keep you posted on that. But for the current time being, I just want to talk about what happened today. And if that does sound good, I know this is kind of late. We're up to 7,765 subscribers. We're getting subscribers every single day. So remember to subscribe if you guys enjoy the video. Stick around, man. Now is the time to be an investor. I know a lot of people are shying away. Some people are slowly coming back. But if you want to take financial responsibility of your financial future, become a subscriber and pay attention. Let's go. So basically, what we're talking about in this video is I want to talk about the market today because we started the market flat at about 5,200 or so. We had a booming day. Now today we had a big gap up, as you could tell, in the morning, and I felt like this was some kind of relief. As well, one thing that I am doing now is I'm trying to check the markets as little as possible throughout the day. I want to ignore all the noise and all the headache and the stress and the energy wasted by looking at the markets throughout the day. So I kind of take a peek in the morning, I take a peek at the end, and even myself, even Honorable Investing himself cannot persuade the markets. The markets are going to do what they want to do, and we are along for the ride. So I checked the market in the morning. We're at about 5,200. We're up about 3 or 4% in the morning. It's a pretty good day. I figured, okay, we had a lot of down days, so it's likely that we have maybe a little bit of an up day today. Well, what happened in the market? We started up, we kind of trickled there, and we stayed there till about 1 o'clock, something about there, 2 o'clock. Then we continued to trickle down till we ended the day at negative 1.57%. So what does that say? That says the market is extremely volatile, and it shows how bearish people really are. Because although we've had all this bearish momentum and this pressure to go to the downside, at some point there needs to be some kind of balance. And the balance came this morning as a push to the bullish side, a push to the upside, which we see in about 3-4%. But that 3-4% was completely beaten down today and beaten back down to the negative, which makes me think people are very bearish on this market. And if we see tariffs go through tomorrow, I do think more people are going to be even more bearish, so we're likely to see more downside. That's why I'm not buying right now. And I think honestly that goes for a lot of investors. One thing I am doing is I'm continually working on this honorable investing tracking cash flow template. And this template, I'm going to get it to you guys out on April 15th. That's my goal. I'm trying to put together the final platform for this. I want you guys to have your goals in place. as I have my goals here. As you can see, YMAX is one where we've already hit our price target at under $14 for average share on 2,500 shares. We're below even our lowest target of $12 because YMAX is currently sitting at $11.71. As well, we hit our price targets for Square, XYZY, that sounds so weird to say, Option Income Strategy ETF. We also hit it for PayPal, PYPY. We hit it for Babo, and we're getting close, approaching it on Coney. So this is helping me keep track of all my Yieldmax ETFs, what price points I want to buy them at, and then when I will execute those buys. The first thing that I do want to buy is SPXL. This is going to be a big one, and I'm going to kind of put this in a lighter blue so you guys can see. I want to buy this first because this is what I'll buy with cash, and the rest I'll be buying off of margin and accumulating those shares and having the income pay down those margin, all that margin. So that is my plan. I hope to get this all to you guys and put it on one beautiful, nice sheet all on the front. If there's anything that you guys do want to see, this will allow you guys to track how much you guys are investing and putting into your accounts every single month. This will also help you to see the compounding effects of your monthly income, which I've seen for myself. You could see it last year. It looks fantastic. You'll see how much exactly your monthly gain is in terms of your monthly income, because what you don't track does not get accomplished. Dan Peanut, what gets measured gets accomplished. You will have your whole portfolio up here, which you'll have in your brokerage account anyways, but I'm likely going to put the goals beside it so it's very easy to track. And then of course I need to first perfect this. This is my margin debt calculator. I'm going to reset this here, and I want that there so that it's easy to see how much you're using on margin and how much your dividends can pay in terms of margin. So I think it's going to be very cool. I'm very excited, and I hope you guys are excited too, because I think this is a great little step in order to propel your financial future forwards, as I'm doing with my current portfolio. So it's super exciting. But once again, just stay level-headed. Remember this quote. Take a screenshot of this if you need, because I think it's super important to remember. It's time to sit on the hands a little bit. I understand you could be buying a bit along the way, but you want to be cautious. Although we're going to the downside, there could potentially be a lot more with news coming up in the next couple days. And so remember, buying opportunities, a lot of people think they're already here. I feel like opportunities have not yet shown themselves. I guess we shall see. But nonetheless, I am preparing my portfolio with a lot of cash. So if that does sound good, you guys know what to do. Subscribe. We're up to 7,765 subscribers. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, found it valuable, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.